guys, welcome back to Crazy World, and today I'm gonna be unboxing, like opening new fidgets and like really cool squishy things that I got from like a mall fidget store and like a Walmart. So yeah, let's get to this video, and yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, so first we got this like mushroom, and we got this cool like kitty puff little mochi thing. Cool little squishy. I have this cool little cute bear. I think these are the ones that you can get. You can get a blue, green, and pink. Blue is my favorite color, but it's fine. Green is like my second favorite. And yeah, because like blue and green are earth color, but like I didn't see any more blues, or maybe it didn't look enough, but it's fine because it's still super cute. And it has like the green bears in front. And yeah. And I also have this cute little orange unicorn. It might be weird of the lighting, but yeah, it's orange. Yeah, it is. Or actually, I think this is like pink, because I took a closer look. It might look like orangish, maybe a little bit like pinkish, maybe a little bit, but it looks a pink right now. Maybe it's just lighting, but I don't know. It looks like a pink unicorn. And last but not least, I have this really cool Needoh Gumdrop, and it's like those dot candies. Have you ever heard of those? I never tried one before, and yeah, that's a little weird, but it's fine. So yeah, let's start unboxing these, and I'm super excited to squish these. Okay, so let's start by this blue mushroom. It was already unboxed. Ooh, this feels nice. Ooh, hold on, let me do something real quick. Okay, placed it right, like in a good spot. Okay. Ooh, it's so nice, little face. Some of the paint came off. Here, let me show you. It was like already off when I bought it, but it's fine. Baby blue, my favorite color. Top. It's a cute mushroom. Okay. Oops. Sorry guys, the camera fell. That's okay. So next we have this kitty puff mochi, and it's gonna be cute. And you can see little paws holding it. See, paw there and paw there. And it's like it's on the back too, holding it. Yeah, see, paws holding these. Yeah. So I don't know if this is the one we're getting, but let's just see. Alright, let's unbox this. Okay. Oh, and plus guys, at the intro of the video, you might have like noticed that my hair is a little wet. It's because I just showered. Yeah. And let me just set the camera down. There you go. Oops. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay, let's unbox this. Is there like a little thing? to do it. Try like ripping. Yeah, guys, 1 second. Let me go get scissors. Alright, guys, so I just did a camera adjustment. So I just put it against the couch and I just flipped it the other way so it's facing me. Alright, this will be a lot easier. So I'm going to be unboxing this cute little thing. Oh my gosh. Wait, did we get it? Guys, yes we did. Here, I can show you. Cute little bows. See? It's like the exact same right here. Right here. It's really cool. Alright, guys. Start squishing it. You can see the stuff inside. I don't know if you can see it, but right here, it's under here. Oh my gosh. It's fine. Just the noise of it. Yee. Guys, watch this. Ready? Here, let me see if I can do it this way. Alright, watch this. Yee. Yo, oh my gosh. Face gets big. Alright, next thing. Alright, so this really cute kitty puff squishy was really fun to squish, and it's really soft, and it's really satisfying, and so was this mushroom. It's yeah. Alright, let's do the next thing, which we have this bear right here. Super excited to squish it. I can open this with my nail. No, I think I need scissors. Strong tape. I don't want to accidentally pop the squishy. So I'm just trying to be super careful. I'm gonna protect it so I can open it. Oh, it went in. Open it and pop it. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, cross our fingers. I think it's fine. Oh no, guys, it popped. No, I'm joking, guys. I'm just joking. It's a little thing right there. Guys, I'm joking. It didn't pop. See, it's fine. I'll just messing around with ya. It's so cute. Aww. It's a little speck. Little hair. The cute little tail. Little ears. Doo-doo-doo. Little face. Little feet and legs. This is so fun. So cool. Look at the little tongue. You can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, it's right there somewhere. Some little white spots on its eyes. Take a really good look at the face. Take little white shiners. And the tongue here. See? Isn't that so cute? I think it is. Oh, look at this. Comes back to its original shape. That's so cool. Alright, let's go to the next one. So all these 3 things were really fun to squish. It was super cool. Okay, next thing. Alright guys, so I have this pinkish, orangish unicorn. It has like orange eyes and orange like hair right here. Like, see? Like little hair right here. Yeah. Alright, so let's just get this thing open. I'm too excited. Okay. What the heck? Oh. Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. It's so cute. You guys should see it. Oh, and it has a cute little smiley face. I didn't even notice it. Can you see the little smile? Right here. So cool. So satisfying. Then a horn. Ears. Legs. Face. Hair. It's so fun and it's so cute. Alright guys, let me squish this a little more because it's so fun. It's got a little tear in it. Hold on, guys. About that, guys, I just thought I saw a little tear, but it was just a part of it. Alright. So satisfying. Alright, so all 4 of these were so cool and fun. Alright, let's do the next one. You don't need any scissors to open this week. It's just in a box. Like this. I'm so excited. Oh, and the little O and the drop. See? Can you see like the O in Gumdrop? Gumdrop? It's like one of these little cool like dot candy gumdrops. Did you notice it? And you can also have like a pink one. Literally says it on the back. And it says it on the back. And it's also a Needoh, as you can see. It even says it on the back. Alright, let's just start looking at this thing. This thing is so satisfying. Even says like Needoh on it. You can see. Might be backwards, but it's fine. Blue is my favorite color. And oh, this is so satisfying. Ooh. This is awesome. If you're wondering like why the rooms keep like changing like colors, it's because yeah, see it just kind of turned a little bit yellowish. It's just because there's like pictures on the TV. This is so satisfying. Oh my gosh. This is so satisfying. Oh my gosh. This is so satisfying. My gosh. It's like, oh my gosh. It's so satisfying. It's like so satisfying. Oh my God. Liquidy sound. You put it together like you like kind of like. Yeah, you just kind of have to like fold it like you just like grab a piece and then you just like kind of like have to fold a piece to another like this and then you just and it makes that sound. This is so satisfying. Even goes back to its shape. You can even turn it to like a nice cube. I used to have one, but like it broke like super easily. I don't know if I like squeeze it too hard. I don't know, but yeah. See? Turn to a cube shape. Now let's do a gumdrop. Cube shape gumdrop. Look, you can like squish it as much as you want, like into this, and then it just goes right back. I think I like this better than the nice cube, in my opinion. Oh, and I have another fidget to show you. All right, guys. So I got these, but I got like a lot more in my fidget drawer, but I also have like a fidget box like upstairs in my room. So yeah, this is called the sugar ball. I ordered it. Super satisfying. I can stretch it. It like feels exactly like the nice cube, but it's just ball shape. And I also like this more than the cube. And got this pink. Yeah, so satisfying. Okay. Then I have this thing called the squeeze cheese or something. And you can like see the white stuff inside. Here, let me show you. Hold on. can you see it? Hold on. 1 second. Let me just get back to it. Come on. Okay. Let me just do the bubble thing. Alright, can you like kind of see it in here? Kind of. It's like right here. Squeeze. It's really satisfying. Can you stretch it? Like that. Yeah. Just really satisfying. Sugar ball. Yeah, that was really fun. Bye, guys. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And sometimes the comments sometimes are turned off, and sometimes you can't comment. But sometimes it's like turned on. So if this video has the comments turned on, comment down below which fidget was your favorite. Bye. For real.